Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $22.53. 24-hour volume, we are down 18%, and market cap, we are down 3.86%. So heading over to our daily chart, I'm going to cover over day and then immediate short term for 4 hours. So looking at our daily chart here, we can quickly take a look at the activity. We broke through 78% of our fib at $26.58. We retraced down with this huge candlestick itself and then had a really nice pickup or a nice, pullback. However, price is going to continue to go down for ETC. If we quickly take a look at the MACD indicator, now this is a really good area here that we can see is almost these two lines are colliding together, which is our MACD line and our signal line itself. And whenever we do see that crossover, we're hoping again to flip from the red to the green because we will experience some pullback. And this is essentially where we saw that. So if we were to compare that to this area here, we saw that crossover that gave us a really nice green area, and we can see that the price pulled back very nicely, however got rejected from our 20 moving average. Now this isn't really a good area to see ourselves in for Ethereum Classic, is moving further apart from our 20 moving average, as moving averages show us different trend signals and trend reversals. So in this bear trend itself, obviously we can see that the Bollinger Bands are expanding, so meaning higher volatility. We may see Ethereum Classic price move further or move fairly quickly here depending on the volume. So let's take a look at the volume so far that we have today, and it is quite minimal, only at 38,000 compared to yesterday at 54,000. So if we really want Ethereum Classic to move, we need to push in way more volume at this time. So where I think Ethereum Classic is going to go, I'm going to take a look at our profile volume in our nodes as well. Really, there's not a whole lot of nodes that are poking out. Let's grab a little bit more data, and really nothing. So let's fixate on this data here, all the way from January 5th, we can see this one little node that does stick out roughly around $21.97. So again, I'm hoping that is an area of support, as we can anticipate that the MACD, that the price itself may continue to go down. We do see that selling opportunity on our RSI, and if we do continue to go into the red of our MACD line, then we may see that decrease. If we do see that flip over and you see that small little sliver of a green, but we don't want to anticipate it going to the green until we actually end for today. But if we are going to go into the green very nicely here, then Ethereum Classic may retrace to this area of resistance, roughly around the $24 to the $25 range. So heading over closer to our 4-hour time frame here, you guys, let's kind of take a look at some characteristics. Most importantly, the RSI. Take a look at this red line. For the RSI, we are considered to be oversold here and a possible buying opportunity. But what the heck is going on here? We see a crossover of a, sell opportunity or buy opportunity. We see a sell for buying or selling, and then buying, and then possibly selling over again below 20%. So stuff is definitely going on here. If we take a look at the candlestick, the previous candlestick here, we essentially have a hammer candlestick. Even though it's in the green, it does definitely show us some strides for the bulls. Essentially, they won the rally. They made more trades for, the buying opportunity in this 4-hour session, but the body itself is quite small and the wick itself is twice more than 3 times the size of the body. So it initiated a lot, or it gave us a signal of a selling opportunity, and it gave us, that signal that there is going to be bears in the market, and we indeed saw that. So depending on the RSI, if we do see that general increase instead of this pinch, if we see that increase, we may come up just slightly of the price, possibly come up to the 50%, which is the $22.71 range. If we don't see that expansion and we actually see that pinch, then price is going to continue to come back down, either at the $22.27 range, or take a look at this, how fast this area dropped all the way from October 12th. You see that drop here body held roughly around 61%. See the drop itself, didn't even go through the 50% itself. Retracement level just continued to drop. So that may be another factor for Ethereum Classic here, is not holding at the 38% and seeing ourselves coming down to the 21% or $21.71. So be careful. Be safe, be careful, you guys, through, crypto today. We are seeing a lot of coins drop, not a whole lot of opportunity, and a lot of times where we're seeing the coin essentially go to a price where a lot of people are attracted to and a lot of buy orders there. So just be very cautious today. Wish all of you the best. Definitely drop me a line down below. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, but I'll see you next time. Bye.